Hello guys, welcome again to my channel today. So today I'm going to be showing you how to start the simple cornrows, how to make them to be neat, and how to add the strand, the hairpiece strand, okay, so that it doesn't pop out. So here we go guys. After parting your line like that, you have to put your hair pieces aside, and now this is how you're gonna start it. We'll be starting up first by plaiting a little bit of the hair, plaiting a little bit of hair, like just the normal hairline without adding extension. Yeah, and after that you start adding. Okay, at least to protect the hairline, we have to start with her natural hair, with her plain hair. Okay, so this is how we're gonna start it. Okay, so we start here. Here we go. We plait like that, like that. Be picking a small pinch of hair as you plait onwards, like that. This is best for you as a beginner. Yeah, you continue like that, and then you can start adding a small strand of hair like that, and then you plait again onwards, make it straight, pick another hair strand, just a moment. There we go. You put it like that, and then you plait like that, make it straight. So you can see the two fingers are picking the hair from the behind part. The two fingers there, and then I have to lay it down like that, you see, that way. That's how I'm doing it, to be able to hide the knot not to pop up, and then you plait like that onwards. So add like that, that way, you can see, and then you plait onwards like that. So you add another one in that same manner like that, and plait onwards that way, and everything will come out the way you want. Okay, so adding, I think, until there is okay. So you just have to plait it. You see, it's looking a bit pencil. Yeah, so we plait like that until the end. Yeah, while doing this, be holding the hair with your fingertips. The fingertips really helps. You hold the hair firm with your fingertips as you plait onwards, because if you make your fingertips to hold just loose, then the line will not come out neat. So that's how it is, and that looks nice. So we're gonna do another cornrow again. Yeah, I don't know if I should also explain. Let me just try and explain it again. If you did not get it, then I hope you'll get to the next one. Yeah, so part the hair first. I'm using a molding gel a little bit to make the hair to come all together and to be neater. So we're gonna part the hair, another line. So we part it and then we continue. Whoa. So there we go. Remember to be making your braids aside first before you start making the hair, so that it can be easy for you to be able to add the braids. So that way, don't worry about my pick. My pick is just, yeah, it's a bit old, so it's breaking right now after falling down for so many times. Yeah, so I'm combing the hair to make it to come all straight or all together, so that when I start plaiting it, it will be easier for me, so that I don't leave the hair hanging aside, or I don't pull the other hair from the holded hair. So that's how we start. We plait like that, just starting normal. And now we reach the process where we will be adding the braid. I have to make it a little bit long. Yeah, so we start adding the braid like that as we plait onwards. Add another one that way, and then plait onwards that way. Add another one, yep, and then plait like that. Add another one again. There, it looks better. So add another one again that way, and then plait like that. So you'll be going as you add in that manner. You can check how my fingers are going, and it will be easier for you to be able to make these cornrows without any problem. Yeah, what you need to have is patience, because patience pays, and that is very, very important. Yeah, if you try today and then tomorrow is not working, just try and try. Yeah, you can keep a pause and then still try. That's how it works, huh? Yeah, don't give up. Just keep on moving, because moving is the way to success. Okay? So guys, I have to let you now continue watching the rest of the part and enjoying the style. Yeah.